All right, we are back with more Factorio. Here we go. I am Pax. And yes, we are continuing the playthrough of SpaceX. And today the plan is sort of to try to build out and blueprint some of the main kind of components of our future train network. And you know, we're more or less gonna have, I think, this kind of stacker design everywhere with the depots. So I'm gonna just paste this down, but I'm gonna remove them actually. It's sort of weird that the LTN pieces are separable. Yeah, so the idea will then to be have like, yeah, a stacker kind of like this. And we're gonna have our first stop be, I mean, well, we're not just gonna have a stop per se, I guess. In this case, we're going to, let's see, where does it go? I think it goes here, right? Yeah, so it, you know, it kind of aligns with the old one, but yeah, we're gonna have a bigger stacker, and uh-oh, coronal mass ejection heading for novice. 12 hours. Okay, hopefully. Only Factorio could be a game where it's like 12 hours from now. I'm not so worried about that. So why aren't my bots doing anything? Let's actually just disconnect. Yes. Okay, so yes, I think we'll just start with this. Let's see, we want the rail signals, and let's see, let's get the ones like this. Okay, that looks good. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. So then I also built myself a little builder train to carry some random stuff around with me in case I go do manual things like this. But of course, like a lot of what we're gearing up to do is to not have any manual type of actions necessary, hopefully. Okay, I kind of like this. I think this is good. Is there a point in just having this one? Probably. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, and then so I think I'm gonna just blueprint this. So let me just put down the grid. Yes. Yes, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, so then let's take this. Okay, we don't want that. Let's show the tiles for a second. Yes, and then snap. Okay, so it's 72 by 72. This doesn't matter, right? I think 34, like this was what it was. So this will be the train tracks for a train station stacker. I mean, I guess I'll put the station sign here, even though it's not a station per se. All right, this goes there, hopefully. And then let's turn the tiles back off. We don't need the train fuel. Got rid of those. Seems pretty simple, right? Yeah, that seems good. Good, that aligns. And so then let's put this also in the SpaceX system. Nice. Okay, so this will be our main station, and so we'll use it like much like the other one, but now we have the extra stackers. And then the idea is just to then have, so let's just take, oh yeah, so we're just going to blueprint then just exactly this. So we want the train stop names. And then this will just be called, we'll call this the LTN. And then I think, yeah, it has a depot sign. I guess we'll ditch this, yes. Yeah, so that's just going to be another one of our blueprints. It's the LTN depot. So then, yeah, the idea would be then typically, yeah, we'll just put down the empty station and then scroll over to the LTN depot and then plop down the LTN depot like that. Just build it kind of piecemeal. So let me make sure that this is looking correct as well. Yeah, because I think it needs the train limit for sure. So let's make it have that. And this is good. Do we want it there? I don't love it. I kind of might prefer. Actually, I might prefer it back here. Yeah. Because in general, I think I'm going to put the combinators right behind the stations. I'm not going to do this. Yeah, I think I'm going to put it back here. So you need the this little depot sign. Stop is depot. And red wires are for signals. And okay, train stop limit 1. That's kind of the key difference. So now let's select new contents. And we'll go like this. I mean, do I need all this track? No. So let's just do this. It's so weird. Wait, but then it doesn't have this lamp. Oh, it's so weird. Hold on. Like, it didn't get the lamp. Okay, it needs a lamp. Okay. I hope this is fine. Yeah, so we'll just do this. Train stop names. Doesn't need to snap. So yeah, then just boop. Okay, that should be fine too. Okay, good. So then, yeah, we can just then put depots down like that. I mean, I think it's pretty easy instead of, it doesn't need to be built in, you know? And then basically the gist is then to make, the goal is to make them this inside track, you know, what we want to, okay, that seems pretty good. So this inside part is, the idea is, I want to build basically a single logistics train stop that does kind of everything. But then, yeah, I'm kind of wondering how, let's get rid of all this. Get rid of the tiles. Right. Okay. Yeah, so one single train stop, and so yeah, of course we sort of made it over here, so it is basically this. This is going to be it. So we're going to keep this. And okay, but let me just, oh no. Let's just turn these off real quick. Off. Did I not? Yeah, I'm just gonna have them be off to start. Okay, probably like 1,000's probably excessive. So just do 200. Yeah, and that's a stack. Yeah, and then you're gonna want clip explosives. Yes, and then probably the things that we're gonna also want. Yeah, so then the idea is also, wait, why are you asking for fuel? Why are you asking? Oh, okay, yeah, clip explosives. Oh, the ghost scanner has to replace it. Okay, okay, yeah. All right, so this now, we're gonna say don't pull in the process fuel, yes. And then we're gonna make another kind of, I guess, storage chest here. Brought it to me, weird. Okay, yeah. Okay, then yes, exactly. So we're gonna just, again, pull in process fuel, like, oops, like everything else. Okay, but then we're just going to put them onto the same network. So let's just move this one to here. So it's going to do that, yeah, and then it's fine if it recycles it when, that's why I do it like this, so, but I'm not sure, I mean, yeah. You get it, yeah, so now our train's at the depot. That was kind of the gist. Having extra depots and just having the trains kind of spread out was the hope. And so now, yeah, then basically the whole goal is then just that, you know, this logistics train is also the fuel train, or this, I mean, yeah, this logistics stop can also serve to provide the fuel to everywhere. Yeah, so that's kind of the idea. Now, and then I wasn't sure, wait, so then I do need this, right? Okay, so the other thing what we can do is move this actually and put the recycling station here. And essentially the recycling station will actually be back here. So yeah, so then if we just copy this one, should be fine like this. Okay. Okay, but then I was kind of thinking that, oh, we don't want this. Maybe putting it on the other side, like having it all on the left side would be better, a little more elegant. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so actually, yeah, I want to change it. So I was kind of thinking, I don't know, I was gonna have like a little bit of a rule about the wires, or just the general practice of having green wires be the things that measure the contents of boxes. Contents of boxes, yes. And then like red wires would be more for like signals. So I don't know, but I don't know if this would count as a green or red wire. It's a good question. So just make it a red wire because it's kind of a signal. Yeah, train limit. Yeah, I like that. I think that's good. And I guess we'll just make it this hybrid stop, right? We'll always want those, right? I think so. Yeah, so why not? Yeah, I think that's the plan. And okay, I don't want these end pieces. I feel like there's something wrong with it though still. Okay, so we did the fuel, we did the bots, and it's actually, the bots are actually measured from here. And then this is all the recycling, right? We already have 200 bots in our network. Okay, and what I was going to do also was, so I've separated out this network over here, and I think I'm going to separate out the network like this as well to the south. So I'm going to pull this one, and also like this one, and then that will, so then we'll have this big main line over here to the right, and it's actually all serviced by this station right now. And then we have this now west kind of thing going on, serviced by a station that I had already built. And now the southern one is going to be serviced by our new station. And I like it like this. I think like this is pretty cool. With so then let's yeah, I mean, and now we can just turn it on. So we'll just turn everything on. So we got the ghost scanner was already on. Oops. And well, okay, yeah. So like, cause I wanted to actually add in, yeah, like having 200 fuel here. Okay, so that should bring the fuel, and oh, and then also I need I wanted at least this fuel thing here. And I think the blue inserters here are fine. Yeah, right. Yeah. Okay, and then the goal, and then I think the thing was I would probably just have, I could very much do the very similar types of things. No, of course, well, yeah. Yeah, so now we're going to want, okay, yeah, so like let's now build, what we're going to build next is then, yeah, this LTN request station. And, okay, yeah, the train came with fuel. So I guess, okay, yeah, I should have it like that, right? Yep, like that. Always have the fuel. Yeah, we don't need to do any fancy signaling, I don't think. So let's actually, yeah, make sure that that green wire is gone. Oh, come on, game. Don't give me those bad wires. Okay, whatever. Okay, good. It's bringing me a stack of electric poles. It's cool. Okay, actually then, okay, here, this is, what we're trying to make here is going to be a provide station. So we're basically going to grab this coal and actually put it onto the LTN network. And yeah, again, we're going to be using the rail loaders. So I think it goes here. So yeah, I think it goes like this. I guess I could have just copied it. Yeah, let's just copy it, make sure it's, I did it right. It's gonna be like this. Alright, but it's gonna be a little bit different, and we're gonna make sure it also works with the LTN network. And so again, we're gonna have the green wire come in. And I think also, again, I'm going to want to put this power pole here just to measure, I want that there, like that. Okay, so that's going to be measuring what's in the contents, right? And what the LTN network can do, right, is remember it can signal out here the request value. So So when the train's here, this little combinator will say like what the request was. And then this is important, yeah, so one thing is that we're definitely going to want to plug this into here. So that's going to tell the network what's available. And the other thing we're going to want to do is say, let's see. Well, we are also going to want one of these. Oh no. Oh, okay, that's not the worst. I don't know what happened. What did I even lose? A wall? Wow. Oh no. Oh. Wait, what? How did... What? How did that happen? That's so weird. How did walls get over there? Oh, okay, I bet, okay, it's because, okay, I see what happened. This doesn't have a filter on it. Okay, that's what happened. All right, so then, yes, so we are going to just, yeah, basically have this, and then generally, yeah, I guess I might just even have these here. Or should I make this differently? I'm not sure. So like, yeah, generally we're going to just be pulling in 4 lanes. We're going to want a balancer, of course. Yeah, but something like that. And yeah, okay. And then this is going to have some kinds of signals. Yeah, so this is going to be a provide station, so it's going to want to say something like provide stack threshold, and then since I wanted these like to be bulk stations, so we're going to just do like a full train load. So that's saying 40 is the, you know, it's going to only provide when it has at least a full train load of resources. And I don't think anything else really is important. Yes, so then this will also go into here like this. And that'll just like, that just sets a setting. So now the LTN knows when to provide it, but it's only when it's kind of has a full train load. Okay, so then the last thing is like, again, what we want to happen is we want there to be a decider combinator. Oh, no, we want it first, or an arithmetic combinator. So I guess, yeah, we need to maybe do 2 things, yeah. Or can we? Each. I'm trying to think if I could do this with this one decider combinator, actually. So, no, it wouldn't make sense. Yeah, no. Yeah, we have to do an arithmetic, I'm pretty sure. So basically, yeah, in this case, we want to say like, okay, what, I'm pretty sure we want to say what's on the train, but it's going to be minus this one. So this is just going to be each times -1 and output each. Right, and so then this now has the difference between the what the request is and what's on the train. And now we want to say is if, yeah, if anything is actually less than 0, right? If any of it, yes, if anything is less than 0, so if whatever thing is on the train becomes negative, then we want to output this disable rail loader signal. right? Yes. And then we'll just put this on the red wire. Okay. And so this way, yes, like it won't, yeah, basically the LTN can control the contents of the train and it won't overfill the train with the request item. Cool. Yeah. Okay, this is seeming better. I think so. And now, yeah, like hopefully, yeah, we can see the power of this system because can start to maybe. Okay, what I want to make sure is that first, I want to make sure that this balancer doesn't. So yeah, so now it's going to just it's bringing stuff to us now, 3 stacks from our logistics network. So some rails, some signals, yeah, because yeah, that's what the ghost we put down. And yeah, so it's going to bring it and put it into here, into our network. Sorry, 4x4 balancer. Yeah, there's plenty of room there. Okay, so now, yeah, probably is going to bring like undergrounds and splitters or something like that. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, okay. Looking good, looking good. I think I'll leave the belts. Should I leave the belts? I'm not sure. Cool. This is nice. This is very nice. Okay, and then yeah, let's actually, okay, we have these disconnected too now, right? Yeah, so then let's reconnect then this with the standard. There it is. All right, and then I think oh man, yeah, the attacks are really ramping up, huh? Let's see, this base, there's a couple bases in the pollution cloud, but yeah, no big deal. Yeah, so then I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm gonna blueprint this. Yes, this looks pretty good. And this will be our new, we'll call this, yeah, LTN, and then the provider chest. Actually, not, yeah, let's do, of course, the bulk rail loader, actually. And then, I should have named it. Maybe I don't want the train sub names. It's kind of funny having all the random train sub names all the time. What? No. Wait, what? Why did... Blacklist. Whitelist. Okay, well... Alright, I gotta fix this anyway, right? Yeah. Alright, so yeah, let's fix it again. So, we have that one. Oh, do we even do it? We have the ammo one? Okay, that's good. Oh, it's over here, yeah. And then is that this one? Yeah. Okay, select new contents, and then yeah, we're gonna go like this. Just keep the curves. Okay, hopefully it's correct now. Should I turn it off? It's fine. But I also want to change it to LTN and to Roboport. Okay, and then put it in our book. Okay, I'll move this. Yeah, that looks good. Or, yeah. cool. Okay, great. Exactly. Now, let's just go get some of this coal. So wait, how many lanes is this? Oops. 7? Should we try for 8? Nah. Yeah. Yeah. So let's do one of these. And we'll just, yeah. Okay. Okay, well, I guess I just have a bouncer anyway, so it's fine. No. So, if I did have this there, actually though, where would, is it even possible for yellow belts? No. So whatever, just do whatever. Okay, nice. Well, hopefully, okay, it's bringing belts and process fuel. Sure, sounds good. I mean, of course I didn't need to do this, but I did it. So wait, what's going on? Oh, I just didn't finish. Okay, but now we have actually coal on the LTN network, and yeah, so we're going to start then, yeah, just keep getting all the stuff on the LTN network and actually using LTN network to, yeah, move all the resources around and do production. And so next time we'll probably build the receiving end of the station and plug it into maybe some sort of fuel processing system and just turn that into process fuel and kind of put the stuff back onto the LTN, the process fuel back onto the LTN network, and maybe build a power plant as well. Yeah, power is not doing too well. I mean, yeah, we're doing fine, but yeah, once we start launching rockets and doing science again, we sort of overdo the electricity demand. So yeah, we need to build a new power plant more or less as soon as we can. But now we got you know, another good chunk of coal flowing into now the logistics network, and we can start yeah, again, starting to put all of the production things onto the train network. So yeah, cool. So then yeah, now we have our basic train station blueprinted and our logistics and recycling station, as well as the the bulk kind of provide station blueprinted. And this will be the theme of the next stage of the base, is it's going to be building trains and train networks and production all over the place connected to the train network. Cool. So yeah, there you go, Factorio. I'm calling the session here. I'm Pax, and see you next time.